I pray that I get the life I deserve because I know how hard I've been through. I know the dreams and aspirations deep within my heart. And I pray that whatever happens, I will be happy in the future.
Isa. Parang ito man yung ano.
Ay, binibitawan niya, girl. Dalawa. Oh my God. Bakit ayaw niya?
Needs a drop.
Ha?
Updraw.
Oh, no, it can't.
Really?
It can't. Crazy. Crazy, ah.
Isagi mo daw siya dito. Yeah, do like that.
Can't.
Really? Oh my. Ayaw na.
Like,
That big, that big. See?
Nabitawan na tuloy siya. Kunin mo ulit. Again?
crazy, ah. Ba't ayaw umano? Ayaw niya lumapag. Uy!
Ay, ganun mo daw.
Yeah, okay. Good.
Oh.
So, ano?
Too much.
Apat. Ay, 5.
See? No, meron ka pa?
Wala na yata. No. Wala na.
At least.
Oh, di ba?
20 kilo.
Tatlo. 4. 5. O, tig-isa tayo, guys.
Yeah.
Si Ibon.
Happy yarn.
Kaya lang sayang.
Sayang itong isa pink. Kaya yan sana.
Kaya,
Okay lang yan. At least happy. 6